What's going on, guys? Today's video, we're gonna be working, yes, on the SST. If you guys remember the SST, we did a 5.7 HEMI swap on this with an 8-speed transmission. Our buddy Dennis actually owns it. We're at his house. And we are changing the 5.7 intake manifold to a 6.4 truck intake manifold. So it's gonna be slightly different than if you guys were doing it on a newer Ram, just because we have the advantage of having our own fuel line. But we're gonna show you guys what we're doing, how we're doing it, and we'll get into it. All right, so we're in Dennis's garage. He's got the Grand National, the Evo, the Boosted Motorsports Sun Hat. Maybe coming back in stock, but we sold out of them. All right, so here is the intake, 6.4, brand new. Just, Dennis left all his dust on it because, you know, Dennis is...
This is why we can have nice things done.
So, I'll try to make this as fast as possible. So the SRV valve is on the front of the 6.4 truck manifold. It's normally on the back. So if you guys are doing this on your vehicle, you're gonna have to get an extension harness or extend the wires to get to the front. So you can buy the extension harness. In our case, we're running the Holly and they give us enough length to get to the front of the back. So we're fine there. The other thing is the map sensor is slightly different, but ours will go into here. So we'll show you guys that. And then the fuel rails. So the fuel rail is the actual fuel line connects on, I guess this would be the passenger side, but on the other one, the 5.7, it's on the driver's side. But you can actually take this off, which is what Dennis is doing right now. You can flip it so you can put it back over there. We could technically swing our fuel line to either side. I don't know, you don't care which side it's on, right? I made it long enough so you don't have to do this, but either way. And then the other thing is this EGR valve. So we're gonna put the EGR on, right? Because we're in California.
Yes.
So EGR valve goes there. Dennis might
Emissions are important.
Yes, save the planet.
Save.
Other than that, let's go ahead. We're gonna show you guys the process. This one comes with gaskets already.
Is the map sensor different?
Map sensor is different. The plug on it's different. So we'll convert that as well.
Seriously?
There
All
we
that
go.
gas?
Look at all that gas. All right. She good. So we're gonna take this off. 5.7 manifold out. So if you guys are wondering how to take it off, whoa. How is there so much just yuking at it?
That's excessive.
That looked like a X-rated scene there. You'd expect it coming out of the line, not out of the rail.
Skeet.
All right. Well, that was exciting. All right, so
That's what she said.
yeah, you might have. If you guys have the same happen on your fuel rail, comment down below. But there's a bunch of 8mm bolts there that hold this down, and then you're gonna have a couple of vacuum lines here as well. One goes your brake booster.
What the hell? Wow.
Right through Dennis's red Solo Cup.
All right, well,
That's the end of that.
it's the end of that.
Don't use a red Solo
Use
Cup.
route solo. That didn't work out. Maybe
All right,
well,
we're
I
done.
thought it would.
All right, so here is the original map sensor. So you take it out by twisting it. So that's locked, unlocked, and then this pops up like that. And then you take your other map sensor out, but you're gonna notice the back hits here. So you gotta trim off this little ear piece here so that we can get it in and then turn it like that. All right, guys, so we trimmed off that neck there, just brought down. I left some of it. So you can see there, maybe, I don't know, not quite a quarter of an inch, but enough so that this kind of is pressing up so that it has a bit of resistance so that it doesn't like spin around on us. So anyways, that's in there. We actually chose, we're not gonna flip the rails, even though if you guys are doing a stock setup, I would probably flip the rail to the other side. But since we kind of have free reign on our fuel setup, we're just gonna put it on that side. And I think we're just about ready to throw this thing on. Okay, you guys might need these quick disconnect tools. So these slip in, even on your factory fuel line, you have to slip this in behind it, push it in so you can disengage the factory fuel line. And then once you got the tool in there, you can just wiggle this off. Hey, she's off. All right, there it is. Okay, so we're all set, you guys. So throttle body's on. We've got our little EGR connected to our exhaust. And then we've got our harness for injectors. With the Holly, it makes it easy. We've got tons of length, and it actually is removable from the rest of the harness. So we've already got it pre-plugged in here. And then we've got our map sensor. We've got our connection for our fuel line. Again, if you guys are doing this on a factory vehicle, that's like 99% of people probably watching this. You can just flip it and put it over here, and it's where you need it to be. So that's pretty much it. Also, 6.4 injectors are different. So if you guys are putting this on a 5.7 and you don't want it to immediately get it tuned, just know that these are bigger, larger injectors.
They're 42 pound per hour versus
So
31 or 36.
yeah, I'm not sure on the exact thing offhand, but I do know they're bigger. So if you were to try to put this on your stock Ram, it's gonna throw a fit. So if you're gonna try to do that, put your 5.7 injectors on, but we're using the 6.4 ones, so we got more fueling. All right, change of plans. We're gonna flip the fuel rail, which you guys will probably be doing, so you can watch us do it as well. Bam. What size did you say those little guys were?
E5s.
E5s. So the little Torx on the top. You need an E5 socket to unscrew these studs. All right, you guys. We got her all in, installed, running. Came up with a little temporary intake for now. But it is in there. Here's what it sounds like chopping away. Look at Dennis has got this thing. Ooh, ooh, he's got his back arched. Oh, look at him go. He's twerking more than Nicki Minaj. Look at, watch. Ooh. All right, guys. So there you have it. I'll link down below for you guys where you can get one of these intakes. Yeah, lots of stuff on this channel. If you guys want to see this swap, we actually have this on the channel. A bunch of other stuff, a bunch of Ram mods. So go check it out. Give this video a thumbs up before you take off. See you guys in the next one.